Hey, Money Central here, and welcome to a new video. And this video is about, oh my bad, I just got sidetracked. Oh, this always happens, I don't know why. But anyway, this is a crochet with me video. So basically, I'm going to finish all the crochet projects, aka my whips. And whips means basically any unfinished crochet project and you just stop doing them for some reason. So anyway, I kind of want to finish my whips this month. I've been crocheting since I think around last year. This will be like official year since I started crocheting, and I made some nice pieces, but I never got to finish them. I feel like this is the time right here, right now to actually finish them. And please let me know who got whips right now and don't finish them. Like, all right, so the first project I am finishing right now, this is going to be a Baltimore Ravens beanie, like a bunny hat beanie, because I've been making them recently and I was thinking, what if I can incorporate 4 colors into this? Their colors are white, purple, gold, and black, and they have like the flag in the middle, but it's also a Baltimore Raven. So that's basically what their colors are. So this is the first whip I am trying to finish. I had to start over because the lines weren't straight. The lines getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and it's not the intended, I guess, width of the hat, which really bothered me. So I had to start all over yesterday. So this is the result of me starting over. I like it already. The lines are finally straight, which I am proud of. So yeah, this will be the main part of the beanie, and then I'll make the bunny ears with the same 4 colors because I made a pattern. They kind of like jumbo ear bunny ears basically, so it's something like that. Oh, you probably just noticed this microphone. I feel like I need to have more sound within my videos so you guys can actually hear, even though you can hear me, but I want you guys to hear me. I bought this from Amazon. It was on like $11.99. It's a nice microphone so far. It's definitely going to take these with me when I start traveling and stuff. This is like my first video using this microphone. If the sound quality is a little better, please give me a thumbs up, because I don't know. Definitely, I will be using this in my videos a little more often. Hey guys, it's a few days later and I am finally finished with the whole beanie part of my Ravens bunny hat. So the beanie is finished and came out a little better than expected, so I did 12 rows of the black and white and I did 10 rows of the gold and purple. It kind of did what I wanted to. I feel like no matter how I kind of presented to show all the colors for show, is now officially a beanie. I'm working on the ears part of it. I am using a 6.5 hook for the ears because of course it's a lot bigger, and when I create a pattern I kind of notice how different the ears would be if it were a little bigger. Bunny ears I've been seeing is sort of like just like the medium sized type of ears, and I kind of didn't want that. I feel like this pattern will definitely work what I actually wanted. Of course I'm going to finish it. Like the bottom half is going to be black, and I think the top half of this ear will be gold. And also started on the purple bottom half of it, and the top will be white. I feel like no matter where I place the ears, the colors will show, which is exactly what I want. Hey, it's obviously a few days later, and I've been working on the bunny ears, and these what they look like. I just finished these, and these are basically like double crochet, then single crochet, and just repeat. And as you can totally tell, I start to decrease until right here. So this is where I stop. And now I'm going to finish this part of it. So that's gonna be on one side, and this black and gold is gonna be on the other side of the beanies. I definitely need to finish this part of it because I am so close.
Hey mister, won't you take me for a ride? We could spice it up just for the night. I'm hypnotized by you, just realized by you. You change the way I feel inside. Why you do it to me? You get into me. Oh, how you do me? Know what you doing to me? Can I trust that you won't judge me? Just love the way that you touch up on me.
Hope y'all can hear me well, but anyway, I finally finished with the hat. It's finally done. I sewed the ears in, not exactly inside the beanie, but kind of clear, kind of where the top is. This is how it is automatically. It looks nice for my first attempt for like a 4-color beanie. I feel like sometimes you have to incorporate all the colors of the team or something. I saw the hat in their jerseys and all of that is what I got from it. If this was two-tone, I would easily gone with like it can be white or purple or black and purple or however you want to do it. But I want to incorporate all the colors. I feel like eventually I will do like a raven patch over here. I want to try it on. Oof. Yeah, I have it on right now. This is how it looks. I did like a 55 row stitch, which might be a little too big. So I had to double it twice. So it's sort of a little big on me, which I don't mind for the winter time. It's like, it's only for me because, you know, if I'm going to start, I guess, producing, then I had to figure out the actual sizing and make sure it kind of does it correctly. But other than that, it fits me perfectly. Besides the double, I had to do this double, which is fine. I guess I'm pretty proud of it. This is sort of like my first prototype for like a 4-tone hat. This is for me. I'm not selling this, but if I do in the future, I would definitely have to modify it, like the beading measurements and stuff like that. But it's kind of easy.